Yes. Tornado warning. Oh, tornado warning. Oh boy. Oh. No. That's what happens.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for central western Parish, southeastern Louisiana, northwestern East Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern West Feliciana Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southwestern East Feliciana Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Swantcopia Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:47 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Fortish, or 7 miles southwest of New Roads, and moving east at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Baton Rouge, Zachary, New Roads, St. Francisville, Livonia, Morganza, and Irwinville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
You see the tornado warning? What is it doing? Tornado warning.